Hello darlings, for today's video I'm transforming into Joker. To start, I'm outlining an octagon shape around my face using the white paint from the Mehron Paradise AQ Basic palette. Once the outline is complete, I'm filling it in with the white paint, avoiding my eyebrows and eyelids. I'm switching to the black paint and drawing circles at each of the interior angles of the octagon. These are meant to look like screws, so I'm drawing a few lines out of them to look like they are drilled in deep and adding a white line to the center to look like a slotted screw. After that, I'm dipping into some powders using the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm picking up the brown shade called Punch Me and using this to add a shadow along the edge of the mask. To enhance the depth in the shadow, I'm adding some of the black shade called Spooky. Now I'm brushing my brows upwards and filling them in with the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the shade Soft Brown and setting them with the Super Lock Brow Glue. I'm carving out the lower edge of the brow with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 and tapping this all over my eyelids to prepare them for eyeshadow. I'm using the matte blue shade in the Beaute Bakerie Sugar Cookies palette because it's a very true blue shade. I'm applying this all over my lid and bottom lash line. After that's blended, I'm taking a little bit and placing it in a triangular shape above my brow. I'm then taking the shimmery blue shade called Hello from the James Charles palette and adding this to the inner part of my eyes. Next, I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the Ofra nikkietutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter. Then I'm dragging some of the matte blue shadow down into a triangular shape underneath my eyes as well. Switching back to the water-activated paint, I'm taking the blue and adding some texture to the triangles above my brows and below my eyes. I'm being intentionally messy with this to make it look grungy and almost like I've been crying. Now I'm grabbing the red paint and drawing the brows, which are basically the shape of an apostrophe. Once again, I'm getting messy around the edges. The same thing goes for my nose. I'm starting with a circle and then I'm adding some texture around the edge. Now for my mouth, I'm first adding lipstick because then I won't have to worry about the paint disappearing from my lips throughout the night. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lip Color in Pioneer. I'm quickly adding a few highlights to my nose and brows using the white paint, and then I'm dragging the red paint out from the corners of my mouth and making it messy once again. After adding highlights to my lips, I'm setting my face. First, I'm lightly tapping on the colorset translucent powder by Mehron, and then I'm spraying on some of the Kryolan fixing spray, which is an alcohol-based setting spray, so it won't reactivate my paint. Now I'm curling my lashes, applying the Maybelline Colossal mascara, and popping on the Acebeaut lashes in the style AB100. After that, I'm tightlining with the Juvias the Nubian eyeliner in the black shade Kajal and using the blue shade Royal in my waterline. To get into character, I'm adding a wig and costume from Temu and Ttdeye Stardust Green contact lenses. And that completes this Joker look. Let me know if you watched the new movie in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.